So this is the first question. You can see on your screen. So Gaurav is saying yes. Anyone else? If anyone want to say the answer, raise your hand. I will give you the option of using the mic with reason. So Bhumi and Gaurav are saying yes. Rest of you? Anyone want to say the answer? Harith, Raghav? Darshana? Ishika, anyone want to say the answer? Krishika, Manvi? So here is the solution. Answer with the proper reason. Transfer of energy. When you push a huge rock and fail to move it, the energy spent by us gets stored in the rock as potential energy. Okay. The deformation in rock is so small that it cannot be observed by us. Some of the energy is also used up in stretching the muscle of our arms while pushing the rock and rapid displacement of blood and stretched muscles. So clear everyone what it is written? Anyone having any doubt about the answer? Now next question for you. A certain household has consumed 250 units of energy during a month. How much energy is this in joules? Start calculating. First tell me the formula which we will use. Remember, for writing a simple answer, you will write answer, and for solving the numerical, you will write solution. Okay. Start solving. Tell me the answer. Anyone got the answer? Raghav, Harit. So Raghav has got 250 joules. So here is the answer, 9 into 10 power 8, as Bhumi has given the correct answer. Energy consumed 250 units. So 250 kilowatt hour is, kilo means 1000, and 1 kilowatt equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6. So we will multiply this 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 with 250 joules, and we will get the answer as 9 into 10 to the power 8 joules. Okay. Anyone having any doubt? Next question. What is the work done by force of gravity on satellite moving around the earth? Justify your answer. So anyone want to tell the answer? Anyone? So let's see the answer. So here is the complete explanation of the question. When satellite moves around the Earth in circular path, its displacement is along the tangent to circular path. Force of gravity acting on satellite is along the radius, and tangent is always right angle to the radius. Therefore, motion of satellite and gravity are 90° to each other. Now, we know that the formula of work done is force into distance with cos theta, and cos 90 is 0. This is trigonometrical part that you will learn in class 10. So value of cos 90 is 0 and value of sin 90 is 1. So here we get cos theta. So cos 90 0 will make the whole value 0. And this sin theta and cos theta comes in class 9 because you are learning scalar and vector things from class 9. So these are related to vector things. So clear third question. Can we move to the next? Next question, a conceptual question. Can there be displacement of object in absence of any force? Just think. So Bhumi is saying yes. There can be a displacement. So can you tell me the reason, Bhumi? Why the answer is yes? Raghav is saying no. What are the reason for yes or no? Bhumi, Raghav? Raghav is saying the object can not move unless no force acts on it. So this is the reason from Raghav. Bhumi, tell me your reason. So let's see the answer. The answer is yes. And here is the complete reason for this. There can be displacement of an object in absence of force. F is equals to m into a. Now when force is 0, m into a is 0. But we know that mass cannot be 0. Therefore, when force is 0, then acceleration is 0, not mass. Okay. You have seen the magicians, they move the objects without touching it. So the object is moving in the universe, whole universe, not even in the planet, with the mass. Okay. So the acceleration can be 0, but mass cannot be 0. Okay. So we can move the object from one place to another without applying the force. And acceleration can be 0 if velocity is constant, then also. Okay. Clear, Raghav? दुनिया में किसी भी चीज को बिना फोर्स लगाए एक जगह से दूसरी जगह भेजा जा सकता है. दो कंडीशंस हैं. एक तो वेलोसिटी कांस्टेंट कर दो, मींस वो एक्सेलरेशन 0 कर देगा, और सेकंड केस एक्सेलरेशन 0 भी है. Free fall is the best example. Without applying force, we can send the object from 5th floor to the ground floor. Okay. You just have to leave that object and it will automatically reach to the ground. That is why the name is free fall. Next question. A person holds a bundle of hay over his head for 30 minutes and gets tired. Has he done some work or not? Justify your answer. Work is done or not? Don't confuse with the word hay. It is just an object. So Gaurav is saying he has done the work. Anyone else? Bhumi is saying done no work because S is 0, means displacement is 0. Gaurav is saying he has done work. Bhumi is saying he has not done the work. Anyone else? Raghav, Harit? Raghav is saying he has done the work. Gaurav is saying because he has applied some force and hold the object for 30 minutes. So let's see the complete answer. So here is the complete answer. He has done no work because he has not moved. S equals to 0. The person gets tired due to muscular fatigue. Okay, not because of work. He got tired because of muscular fatigue. That is, muscle are stretched and blood is displaced to the sprained muscle more rapidly. These changes consume energy and he feels tired. Okay. Clear this thing? Next question. Object of mass m moving with velocity v. How much work will be done on the object to bring it to the rest position? Anyone? So Gaurav is saying we have to make velocity 0. Any other responses? Anyone else? Okay, let's see the answer. So the answer is an object of mass m moving with constant velocity v has a kinetic energy equals to half mv square. So an equal amount of work, that is half mv square, should be done on moving object to make its kinetic energy zero and bring it to rest. Okay. Clear? So next question, let us make the name of Harit says that acceleration in an object could be zero even when several forces are acting on it. So the question is, do you agree with him and why? So there is a question from Harit in this question that acceleration in an object could be zero even we apply the force. Is he correct or not? And what is the reason for both right and wrong answer? Is he correct? So Gaurav is saying maybe, Bhumi is saying no. Anyone else? Harit, you justify your question. So the correct answer is yes. He could be correct because just now we have seen this type of question. Acceleration in an object could be zero even when several forces are acting on it. Suppose three forces are acting from front and three forces are acting from back. So total six forces are acting. But if both sides forces are equal, then the resultant force will be zero. The acceleration will be zero. Okay.